in our three branches of government, ang legislature, siyempre ang Kongreso, ang interpreter, ang executive, ang implementer, at ang executive, at ang Korte Suprema, ang judiciary, ang interpreter. So we have to, sabi ko nga, I may or may not agree with the Supreme Court's decision itong huli, but we have to abide by it because I want to prevent a constitutional crisis. We have to abide by it, no? Kahit na hindi ka nag-agree, but we have to respect that's how our constitution is, no? Na co-equal branch, kailangan nating respetuhin.
Kaya lang sa meron pang motion for reconsideration sa Supreme Court. Bakit hindi po hinintay yung pag-resolve sa
Well, by moving it by the motion to archive, kahit po naka-archive na yan, in case po si Supreme Court i-grant yung motion for reconsideration, by the vote of the majority, we can revive ito pong impeachment, no? So, hindi ibig sabihin patay na, no? Archive siya, but with the vote, in case po ang Korte Suprema ay magbago, mag-overturn ng kanilang naging desisyon, it can be revived, no? Pwede buhayin at ibalik sa floor. Kaya ano na yun eh, I think it's a very fair decision by the Senate.
So instead of dismissing it, archive?
Hindi naman siya naka-dismiss. Archive, and it can be revived in case nga magkaroon ng reversal at mag-grant ang MR.